Will Tom be permitted to do that? Will Tom be permitted to do that? Will Tom permit Mary to do that? Will Tom permit Mary to do that? Would Tom ever agree to do that? Would Tom ever agree to do that? Would Tom really do that for you? Would Tom really do that for you? You'll do that for Tom, won't you? You'll do that for Tom, won't you? You'll let Tom do that, won't you? You'll let Tom do that, won't you? Both Tom and I needed to do that. Both Tom and I needed to do that. Even Tom didn't need to do that. Even Tom didn't need to do that. How many times will Tom do that? How many times will Tom do that? I always knew Tom could do that. I always knew Tom could do that. I bet Tom could do that for you. I bet Tom could do that for you. I can do that without Tom's help. I can do that without Tom's help. I don't expect Tom will do that. I don't expect Tom will do that. I doubt I can get Tom to do that. I doubt I can get Tom to do that. I hope Tom knows how to do that. I hope Tom knows how to do that. I know that Tom wants to do that. I know that Tom wants to do that. I know Tom will help me do that. I know Tom will help me do that. I know Tom will need to do that. I know Tom will need to do that. I know why Tom couldn't do that. I know why Tom couldn't do that. I know why Tom wants to do that. I know why Tom wants to do that. I never would have let Tom do that. I never would have let Tom do that. I think Tom could do that today. I think Tom could do that today. I think Tom knows how to do that. I think Tom knows how to do that. I think Tom wants me to do that. I think Tom wants me to do that. I think Tom wants you to do that. I think Tom wants you to do that. I think Tom will do that today. I think Tom will do that today. I think Tom will let us do that. I think Tom will let us do that. I think Tom would try to do that. I think Tom would try to do that. I wonder whether Tom can do that. I wonder whether Tom can do that. I'll get Tom to do that for you. I'll get Tom to do that for you. I'm reluctant to do that for Tom. I'm reluctant to do that for Tom. I'm supposed to help Tom do that. I'm supposed to help Tom do that. Is Tom still willing to do that? Is Tom still willing to do that? It looks like Tom won't do that. It looks like Tom won't do that. It seems that Tom might do that. It seems that Tom might do that. It was lucky Tom didn't do that. It was lucky Tom didn't do that. It's doubtful that Tom can do that. It's doubtful that Tom can do that. Let's not let Tom do that again. Let's not let Tom do that again. No one except Tom could do that. No one except Tom could do that. Nobody except Tom could do that. Nobody except Tom could do that. Perhaps Tom will do that tomorrow. Perhaps Tom will do that tomorrow. Please tell Tom I need to do that. Please tell Tom I need to do that. Should we tell Tom not to do that? Should we tell Tom not to do that? They say that Tom won't do that. They say that Tom won't do that. Tom and I both wanted to do that. Tom and I both wanted to do that. Tom and I don't do that anymore. Tom and I don't do that anymore. Tom and I often do that together. Tom and I often do that together. Tom and Mary both have to do that. Tom and Mary both have to do that. Tom and Mary will do that for us. Tom and Mary will do that for us. Tom bet me Mary wouldn't do that. Tom bet me Mary wouldn't do that.